Check out this awesome nectar collector that we have in stock. It comes in a box, it's a full set. It has a small rig nail, it's 14 mm. It has a ball, you can use it to smoke herb. It's a 2-in-1 dual kit nectar collector. The most important thing and the cool thing about this is freezable. This is freezable. Has a glycerin inside, has a coil. You can freeze this up to like 30-45 minutes and then enjoy a cool cold hit. So you can use this with the ball, you can use this for grass, or maybe use this for your concentrate. Has a small clip that you can attach over here, that way you don't have to has a small clip that you can attach, that way you won't drop your ball or your rig nail. It's a perfect awesome portable carrier kit. You can also attach a ceramic tip or a metal tip over here that you can use to smoke the concentrate. It's a whole kit with a rig nail, a ball, clip, and you have to buy the ceramic tip or the metal tip separately. You can use the tip with this too, and the clip helps it hold still. This ball is also freezable. You can freeze this and enjoy a cool smoke. So we have this in multiple colors: red, blue, green, yellow, pink. You can check our website and see what the prices are. This is perfect, portable, easy to clean, easy to smoke, gives you a cool smoke. It's perfect for your next hit.